In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable voice chat on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, by default, there is no voice chat on Roblox, and there is a way you can enable this. To do this, go ahead and log into your Roblox account. And for this, I'm on my phone, so I'll go ahead and tap on more once I'm logged in, and then scroll down until you see this option called settings. Under settings, go to account info, and under account info, you should be able to see some of your details that you added on your Roblox account. Now go ahead and scroll down until you see this option called check your age to get more features. So by confirming your age, you'll be able to get access to more features, and one of them is voice chat. So you'll need to go ahead and continue with a selfie, where you'll have to open your selfie camera and then take your selfie, and then next you'll have to go ahead and verify your ID. So once you have verified the two, now you'll be able to get extra or added features for the voice chat to be enabled on your account. So that's how you can get or how you can enable voice chat on your Roblox account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.